Habari.
Mzuri, leo tuko kwa majani, tumechuna majani yote Kericho, tunaipeleka Ghana.
So she says, I'm going to plug this and take it to Ghana. I'm sorry. This is Kericho. Kericho is located in the highlands of Kenya. And it's also known as the Rift Valley. Kericho is known as the biggest tea farm in East Africa and probably Africa as a whole. This farmland has been in existence since the 20th century. And Kericho is one of the coldest cities in Kenya. And it's a small county located in between highlands. So today I took a trip to their farmlands to know how they plug and how they harvest their tea leaves. So this time you can see me around plugging and trying to harvest some tea leaves. I don't know how it's going to be, but I tried my best to do something. So stay with me, watch how it's done, and learn something new. Come with me. Let's go! Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy nappie, and today I'm on a green field. I call this place green field. It's a tea farm and I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you how they plant it, how they plug it, and seasons that it's ready to harvest. So come with me, let's go. I need to get this. Hey sister, help me. Help me. All right. So this is the harvesting bag. I'm going to harvest it. Yeah. Do I look like a farmer now? How about it, ma? I want to learn how to plug this.
Okay.
Whoa.
Mami, anataka kujua jinsi ya kuchuna majani.
Nataka bila tunachuna. Matawi mbili na kurusha.
You pluck 2 leaves and then you throw it back.
Okay. So I'll make sure I throw it into the basket.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So come with me. Let's go. All right. All right. So what is the name of this leaf?
It is green tea.
Green tea. Oh, I can make you fast. So you ask her when they planted.
Mami, mulipanda lini? Mulipanda lini majani?
Almost 1970.
1970.
The whole farm has been here since 1970.
Yeah, 70.
Wow. Who planted it? I'm so confused. So this whole farm was here, so they just keep plugging on top of it.
Yeah.
Whoa. So when is it free? When does it get ready to plug?
Tegat Tea Factory.
It is Tegat Tea Factory.
Okay, it's for a factory.
Yeah.
That's it. Tegat.
Tegat Tea Factory.
So can it be made with different flavors or just one flavor?
This one is just one flavor. There are only 2 flavors. That is purple tea and green tea. Now this is green tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when is it ready to harvest?
Almost 2 weeks.
Every
2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks.
And it takes 3 years when you plant it.
Yeah.
It takes 3 years. Yeah.
Wow. So how big is this place? It's so big.
100 of acres. 100 acres.
She's saying that you pluck faster, then you throw it back. You see the way she's doing it? And make sure you take 2 leaves. You see the way she's doing it?
Alright.
Unarusha.
Okay. Narusha.
For them, they don't have to look back to get the cup. They just throw it. They just throw it like, yeah.
Habari.
Hey, mami, tumesema asante sana. Yeah, Mungu akubariki.